Now let's move to the next factory.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Lead us that our second factory is Dongguan Lead us Photoelectric Technology Corporation.
Dongguan.
Yes. Sorry.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. You are the Jiusong lighting technology, right?
Yes.
Okay, welcome. I am Casey from Lighting. May I have your name?
My name is Peter. Glad to know you.
Oh, Peter, right?
Yes.
Oh, Peter, thank you. Welcome to participate in our live shop event. So now we have the 15 minutes to tell a bit of your company and your products. So could you give us a detailed introduction of your company first?
Yes, this is Peter from Jiusong Lighting, and we are professional LED outdoor lighting manufacturer for 10 years. Our main products are like Streetlight, floodlight, wall light, all the outdoor lights we have. I show you the showroom first. One moment. Here, have a look. These are the wall washer light for outdoor, like decorating for the buildings, hotels, many well. But this time, our main products 放哪里啊？它这个摄像头放。And here is one of our hot sale model of the solar spotlights used in the gardens. And this one is RGB. The function is very simple. Here, like this, it has different colors: red, blue, green, and also can make in white color. But when you on it, the color is changing, and then when it's switching, if you click the button again, it will be fixed to one color. It's very simple option. Here is the button under the solar battery. And this one, as you can see, there are 7 LED chips, so it's 7 watts solar stack lights. The price is very competitive. Factory price 26 RMB. And another of our constant is this one. This is a solar floodlight, but it has actual functioning with camera here, and can be controlled by Wi-Fi. When you use the mobile to download the apps, you can just connect to the camera directly. And now I show you the function. It was connected to the big solar panel, and when you assemble it on the outdoor place, it can be recharged automatically and controlled by the controller. Here we open it, and on the controller here are different controlling modes. Like you can control that the camera on or camera off, because if the camera is on, there will be extra cost on battery. And we can also set up 3 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours working model. 3 hours means that after 3 hours, this will be controlled by the light sensor. Here, like here, this is the daytime, right? But we can open the light by the controller. But when you fix it to the wall, you can set up it like that. The light automatically on when it's night, and automatically off when it's in the daytime.
So are the products waterproof, right?
Yes, of course, waterproof. All our products are waterproof because it's auto light use the outside. And generally it's IP65, but if the customer have request for higher, like IP66 or IP67, until 68, we can follow customer's requests. And here is also our hot cell model. This is Streetlight, different from the model of Streetlight. And and this is also, like you can see, this is also controlled by a small controller. But actually, when you set up it, because the controller has fixed programs, we have showed all the working models in the small manufacturer, small instruction books, and we can set up different working way just by the controller. Like the light can be 50% power or 4% power. That is related to the time, the working time of the battery.
It's used the battery power, right? Is it use the battery power, right?
One moment, wait, just it's noisy outside. What would you say?
If they use the battery.
Yeah, battery. This is integrated. The solar panel is on the back of the product.
Oh, it's used the solar power.
Street light, and we fix on the wall, it will recharge directly, automatically. And we have the sensor. We have the sensor here that when you set up it, when the time is when it's you see when like this is not light, right? When I put the solar panel on my chest, it's light, right? Because when the solar panel is on my chest, the light sensor will feel like there's no light, and it will be starting work automatically. And we left it because the solar panel can feel the light in the environment, then it will be off. This is it's working mode.
Yeah, it's intelligent control lighting.
Yes. And this is our package. Regular package is the color box like this. Yes, this color box is a very good material. Like you can see, it's thick here. And package material can also follow our customer's special requests. And here, this one is also our wholesale streetlight model, but this one is for sale. This model is for sale, so the price is very competitive. It's the same working mode. Here's the button. You push on it, and then it works. It lights, right? And when there's light, it will not work. And this one, the advantage is price. Right now, the promotion price $14 US.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So these products have the export qualification or certification? UL like CTL.
Yes, we have the related documents for customer clearance for the batteries, both the battery and the solar panels. Certification right now, because our main market is not Europe, it's Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Customers didn't request. But if Europe customers like it, we can prepare the CE certification for them. That certification only takes 1 week. It's very fast.
Okay. How about the warranty time? Or how about your product warranty?
Warranty time regularly 2 years. If the customer wants longer warranty, then we need to use better LED chips and the better solar panels and also the battery. So it depends.
Okay. And could you tell us the minimum order quotation and the lead time?
Actually, if the customer don't have the request on the package material, I mean, if they can accept a neutral package that without any logo, there's no MOQ request. But if they want their only logo printed on the packing material, like the color box, there's the MOQ. MOQ is 500 pieces.
5 pieces.
Yes. That depends on their request. The color
Okay.
box. Look here. You see, in this color box, there's no logo, right? There's only the product, right?
Oh,
Some
yeah.
description of the product, but no customer's logos. If they want to add their logo, then there's MOQ. No logo, no MOQ.
Oh, okay, I see. So do you have any other thing share with us?
Yes, I can show you our sample room. You can have a look. We are professional LED outdoor light manufacturers. So here we have different kinds of floodlight, and this kind of floodlight is for garden use. And this kind of big floodlight is used for the sports center. And here, these are the underground lights. The in-ground lights is generally used for the parks, and many other courtyards. Garage can also use it. And we also have different kinds of street light. We have different kinds of regular street lights and solar street lights. And here we also have this kind of garden lights. Garden lights. This is used for grass lamps. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The product is very beautiful and interesting. Thank you. Thank you, Peter, for your vivid introduction. Yes. If anyone interested in the product of Jiusong, please leave your contact information in the comment areas, and Peter will contact you later.
Oh, okay. Shall I share my mobile number? Because my mobile number is WeChat number.
Okay, you can leave your mobile number in the comment area, and our the buyer will see the number.
How to share? Because I don't have the paper. I don't have the printed paper. I just want to share my number. How to share?
Okay, you can tell us now.
134.
134.
134. 9700是吧？9700.
9700.
Oh, sorry, mistake. 134.
Okay.
134.
Never mind.
134.
Okay.
5097. 5097. 5097.
797.
Yeah, 5097 and 8100.
8100. Okay.
Yeah.
Later we will put this number on the comment area and tell the customer.
Okay. Nice talking with you.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you for your vivid introduction. See you next time.
Yes, bye.